It's almost March 1st, springtime here in Pennsylvania, which is really nice. We're gonna make some lentils with quinoa, make some pineapples grilled, onions, peppers. I'm gonna boil some water over here. Get it going. Add a little salt. Let that come to a boil. All right, girl's had enough. Stick this pineapple on here. Pineapple grilled and on the quinoa is really nice. Put it on the side. Today, March 21st, first day of Aries season. So happy birthday to my fellow Aries. Add a little salt. I love spring. All the flowers come up. Love winter. But I love spring. Alright. Let that grill. Waiting for that water to boil, and then we'll add the quinoa and lentils in there. Let's add a little bit of olive oil. Awesome. I'm gonna let that grow a little bit. Check the pineapple to make sure it's not burning. That's really nice. It's like 30 degrees here today. It's gonna be pretty. All right, the water is boiling, so let's add lentils and quinoa in here. It'll only take about 15-20 minutes to cook. With that, I've already added salt to the water. So, put that right there. Stir it up. It's covered. It's going to come to a boil again. We'll add some more seasoning once that's all absorbed the water. Check out our pineapple. If it gets really golden, flip it. How pretty. Ooh, smoking hot. Peppers and onions look good. We'll mix the peppers and onions in with the quinoa, and we'll add the pineapples on the side. It is actually 29 degrees here today, but it is absolutely beautiful, especially next to this beautiful fire. Rhonda, thank you for my amazing apron. I love it, girl. It's awesome. Super cute. Rhonda made this, by the way. Really nice. The quinoa's come to a boil, so we're just gonna let that boil, and it's gonna absorb the water. Hopefully I didn't put enough or too much water in there. And then we'll add a little bit of olive oil afterwards and all the spices and mix it together. And the pineapple that's nice and cupped, we're gonna put up top on our grill here, just like on that. Keeps it nice and warm. Into a boil, and that's gonna finish cooking, and then we're gonna add all this into the pot. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I am outside, and they're working down there with some machines. I don't know if you can hear them, but yep. We're just gonna shut off this part of the grill. Let this stay warm, covered, while we're waiting for the quinoa and the lentils to cook. There's some water in here still, but we're gonna shut it off and just let it absorb. Before we do that, we're gonna add our spices. So, let's see here. Black pepper, a teaspoon. Sumac, teaspoon. A little bit more sea salt. got some dry mustard and turmeric. Add that in there, about a teaspoon each. About a teaspoon of dried dill. And fresh mint. I brought it in so it lived through the winter. Put that in there as well. Okay. Then we're going to add our peppers in there. It's going to be really good. Put these peppers in there and give that a stir. I'll show you what this looks like. And maybe not. Maybe not. I don't think you can see that. There's too much smoke. Anyways, there's a little bit of liquid. We're going to put that there. We're going to put this lid back on after we squirt a quarter of a lime in there. Lid on. Give this another stir. And we'll fluff it up. Let's squirt some lime on this pineapple. Let's move the camera over. A little bit of lime on there as well. All right. And we're just gonna give that like 5 minutes and then we'll fluff it up. The quinoa is looking good. We're gonna fluff this up. Just show you. Fluffed up. Let's serve up this quinoa. Serving in there. Put the lid back on so the water just keeps absorbing. And let's add some pineapple. Let me show you here. I'm just gonna get it with my hands. It's easier. And let's grind some sesame seeds. One of the best gifts I've ever got was this. Grinding some sesame seeds on there. Add a little bit of olive oil. Enjoy. Super yummy. I eat this for breakfast. There you go. Enjoy. As always, thank you for supporting my channel. Amore Luce, and subscribe if you haven't. All right.